Hey, just recently we saw the presentation of the 5th gen iPad Air, and what really surprised us were the specs, namely the M1 processor at its core. This is the second iPad category to get this upgrade, clearing path toward the next tablet in the lineup, the entry-level iPad. We're just few months away from its introduction, and there are some specific details that we should discuss and consider. Hi friends, and welcome to Digitalna channel. My name is Marco and this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by MOFT, a gold mine for MacBook, iPad and iPhone accessories. Just check out their website via Digitalna channel and get some discount. The link is in the description and in a pinned comment. Back in April 2021, no one expected to see MacBook class processor within professional iPad. But then, who would have guessed that something similar would happen to the iPad Air this year? Yes, maybe there is no option for 16 gigs of memory, or maybe it's not even necessary considering the existing state of the iPad OS. While we can keep the fingers crossed to get more of it, 2022 is still in its first quarter, with so many products left to be showcased by Cupertino Giant, with two iPad product lines approaching the budget model and the next flagship lineup. Right now my attention is only on the standard iPad, which already has been part of many rumors and speculations. It's no secret that its internals have so far been essential part of leaked information. It is widely anticipated the 10th generation iPad is destined for another important CPU jump, this time a 14 Bionic. But that's not all. I'm almost certain that this year we will finally get 4 gigs of RAM, and this is no accident. This used to be the internal power or a signature of the iPad Air 4 until just a few weeks ago. With twice more memory, with this year's release, its successor made a serious gap comparable to entry-level model. So yes, this is the next big thing for the fans of the regular iPad. Now, if you were hoping to see more base storage, that will not happen. If we are lucky, there will be no price increase, but considering that the iPhone SE 3 costs more than the one it succeeded, that fate shouldn't come as a surprise for this year's iPad. What about redesign? We have been listening about it for almost 2 years. Alleged display size increase from 10.2 to 10.5 inches. I don't want to exclude that as an option, but this time I'm more skeptical than before. I don't believe it will be relevant at all. The same way that the next iPhone SE will kill the home button, likely once and for all, same thing will happen to the iPad, getting rid of those wide bezels and switching completely to gesture-based navigation. But it's too early for that, and this big change will not happen likely until 2024, once we get the iPad Pro with OLED display and the iPad Air evolves even further with a Face ID, for example. Until then, the most popular iPad will carry the torch of some previous times with small visual improvements. We will be lucky if we get laminated display and slightly bigger screen. The crowd will not complain, I'm absolutely certain in that. Previous year we got 5G support, an ultra-wide front-facing camera. Switch to A14 will allow better computational photography, but I don't expect some important changes in that aspect. Anything else would not matter as much for majority of users. Lightning port will still be here, although I do have to admit that switching to USB-C would be insanely good, an unexpected move that no one could have hoped for. Awesome, right? Listen, probably we all remember what happened in 2021 and before. The iPad doesn't need to inherit the design of the iPad Air at all. It brings so much money to Apple that it can still make some changes changes without necessarily giving it the shell of some higher-end model, even if I think that exactly what will happen in 2024. As far as the specs question goes, and I'm talking about the M series of chips, it's not will standard iPad at one point be powered by the M1 or any Apple silicon that was previously showcased in one of the MacBooks. It's actually when will that happen, because I firmly believe that this will take place. But let me ask you, what do you think? Can we expect USB-C port within the budget iPad? Please answer below. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching this Marking channel. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.